can you serve divorce papers if the other party is across state lines? My name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan, and today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. Serving people who are around the corner is usually pretty easy. Hire a process server, you can serve them certified mail, you can get a bailiff to go out there. The question is, what do you do if you're in Michigan and you want to serve somebody and they live in Cleveland, Ohio, Fargo, North Dakota? You know, how are you going to serve someone in Jacksonville, Florida? How do you do this when they're across state lines? Well, you may not know this, but every county in every state in this country is going to have a sheriff's department. And they're a branch of the sheriff's department. They're also going to have a civil sheriff's department. And the civil sheriff's department engages in service of process, among other things. So you can reach out to whatever county your soon-to-be ex lives in, and you can get a hold of the sheriff's department, and you can tell them, I need to serve papers to someone who lives in your county. What is the procedure for doing it? We here at the law firm, we do this all the time. The civil sheriffs are empowered to do this. We get them the documentation. They go to the person out, they hand it to them. They're familiar with the forms to fill out the proofs that the person has been served, and that's how you serve them. I gotta tell you, really, serving someone across state lines, not that difficult. Where you get challenges if you're trying to serve somebody, you know, and they're in Latvia. You know, you want to serve somebody and they're in Yemen, they're in a different country, they're in Bangladesh. How do you serve them there? And you want to know something? There are international couriers that we use here at the firm. We can serve anybody all over the world, and we've done it many, many times. And there is a process to do it. Every now and then, though, you'll find somebody who's off somewhere in some village somewhere. There are no addresses, there's no nothing, it's impossible to get them. And when that happens, the court rules will require you to make the effort to serve, but if you cannot, it doesn't mean you can't get divorced. There are mechanisms in the court rules set up for alternative service if you try the conventional way and it can't be done. And it is true that motions have to be filed, you have to explain yourself to the court, but when that happens, there is a means by which you can alternatively service someone and get them their papers. So the takeaway from all this is that even if somebody's across state lines, across the country, across the world, there's nothing that prevents you from getting that divorce. You're not forced to stay in that marriage just because that person took a powder and went somewhere. You got to track him down. We'll track him down his last known address. We'll get alternative service if we have to. And the court rules are there to help you get service of process when you need it. If you have any questions about your particular case, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.